Welcome to the wiZe AI Interviewer demo, where we automate the hiring process with our smart AI interviewer. This tool helps make recruitment faster and smarter. Let's see how to create an interview profile. First, go to the Manage Interviews section and click Create New Interview to start creating new interview. Next, enter the profile name. For example, assume we are hiring for a senior software engineer. We can write a short description for the job post. This is optional. We recommend writing a detailed job description with all the important details about the position. For example, we have written a job description for a software engineer. We can select the category that matches the job profile. In this case, we select software. Then, choose the start and end dates for the interview and click Save Changes to create the interview profile. Next, we build the interview structure. You have two options. You can manually create the interview structure with sections and subsections and fill in the information as needed. Or you can use our smart AI agent to generate the interview structure based on your job description. The AI will create sections for the introduction, domain specifics, and conclusion. When it finishes creating the structure, you can edit each section. You can delete or change sections or add more questions based on your job profile and requirements. When you're satisfied, save the structure. Next, you can turn advanced proctoring settings on or off to prevent cheating during interviews. You can enable screen recording, object detection, or face verification. When you finish, save the settings and return to the interview space. Here, you can see all your interview profiles and you can share the interview link with your candidates. You can also start the interview and test it yourself to check the levels. You can manage interviews, view scores, get alerts for cheating, and see full conversation analysis in the Manage section. Thank you for visiting our platform. We look forward to helping you experience the future of smart hiring.